For millennia, Jupiter has been a symbol of the untamable forces of nature, a giant that stands at the threshold of our solar system, an enduring mystery, its massive storms and thick, swirling clouds reminding us of our cosmic insignificance. To ancient civilizations, it was a god, a symbol of power, of mystery, of danger. And yet, even now, as we send our probes into its depths, as we study its distant moons, we are met with the same sense of awe, the same feeling of the unknown. But what if all that we believed about Jupiter, its inhospitability, its wild, storm-swept surface, was wrong? What if this vast, violent world could be transformed, reshaped into something unexpected, something unimaginable? What if Jupiter could become a sanctuary, not just for us, but for life itself? Imagine, then, that through some extraordinary combination of scientific breakthroughs and natural forces, Jupiter undergoes a radical transformation. The planet's atmosphere, once a violent storm of hydrogen and helium, might settle into a mix of gases far more suitable for life. What if, over time, we discovered a way to manipulate Jupiter's core, its immense magnetic field, and its dense cloud layers to stabilize the planet, creating a breathable atmosphere, regulating the temperature, and transforming the chemical balance into something we could live with? It seems beyond imagination, but history has shown us time and time again that the impossible is often simply an idea we have yet to understand. Perhaps, as this transformation unfolds, Jupiter's dense, gas-filled layers gradually become less impenetrable. The atmosphere might shift, replacing its toxic clouds with the same kind of breathable air that sustains life on Earth. And perhaps beneath those clouds, the rocky core of Jupiter might develop into something more. An expanse of solid land where seas could form, forests could grow, and cities could one day rise. A planet that was once thought impossible to inhabit could now become a cradle for life. A bold new frontier in the solar system, as beautiful and terrifying as the very idea of transformation itself. Now, imagine the sky above Jupiter, no longer a swirling storm of volatile gases, but a calm, welcoming expanse. The sun's light, filtered through the newly created atmosphere, casts a warm glow across the planet's surface. No longer would Jupiter's skies be filled with the oppressive clouds of ammonia and methane. Instead, we'd breathe air that feels familiar, air that nourishes, air that invites life. The winds that once howled in constant fury are now tempered, gentle breezes that guide the movement of clouds, of waves, of forests. In the distance, the distant shores of oceans gleam beneath the brilliant sky. And beneath this newly formed atmosphere, vast oceans would stretch from horizon to horizon, cool, shimmering seas that could give birth to life as we know it. Forests would rise, their leaves swaying in the gentle wind, filtering the air, regulating the climate. The very surface of the planet, once a hostile mass of uninhabitable gas, now becomes a terrain for exploration, a fertile world capable of supporting complex ecosystems. What was once an impossible dream could now be a reality. Jupiter, a new Earth, where nature has reclaimed its power and humanity's future is boundless. But life on a habitable Jupiter wouldn't just be a dream. It would be a tangible reality. The cities that humans might build here could blend seamlessly with the natural environment. Their walls might be made of sustainable materials, constructed with minimal environmental impact, designed to complement the world around them. Advanced transportation networks, perhaps powered by the planet's own magnetism, would allow people to travel swiftly across vast distances, weaving through sprawling forests and across mountain ranges that rise high into the air. Technological marvels would spring forth from this new world: flying vehicles, solar arrays capturing energy from Jupiter's constant light, massive wind turbines transforming the planet's fierce atmosphere into renewable power. The technology that once powered our survival on Earth would now be used to sustain our existence on this new world, giving rise to a society that lives in harmony with its environment. And the very air, once poisoned and unbreathable, now becomes a symbol of our victory over nature's challenges. Yet even with this new world of abundance, Jupiter would remain a place of wonder, a place to explore, to uncover, and to learn. The dense forests, vast oceans, and towering mountain ranges would become new frontiers for humanity to chart. Our presence here would not just be about colonization, but about discovery. The discovery of new species, new ecosystems, new ways of living in balance with a world that was once so alien to us. Jupiter's moons, like Europa and Ganymede, might hold their own secrets beneath their icy surfaces, inviting us to explore and search for life beyond the planet's surface. What mysteries could they hide? What lessons could they teach us? And as we set our sights on even more distant horizons, Saturn, Uranus, the farthest reaches of the solar system, we would launch our missions from Jupiter itself. This world, now a thriving center of civilization, would be the springboard for humanity's next great leap into the cosmos. Jupiter, the great protector, with its magnetic field and immense gravity, could become the hub from which we venture outward, toward the stars, toward new worlds, toward the unknown. But with all this progress, there would be challenges, great challenges. The same forces that transformed Jupiter could, if mismanaged, bring it all crashing down. The ecosystems we build must remain balanced. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the land on which we build must be protected. Jupiter, in all its newfound beauty, must be cherished, not just for what it gives us, but for what it teaches us. We must live here with the same respect for nature that we would on any world. We are not conquerors, but caretakers. The task before us would be no small one. The planet's delicate ecology must be carefully monitored, ensuring that every step we take is aligned with the greater whole. Terraforming Jupiter is a monumental challenge, not just for our technology, but for our very philosophy. In shaping the planet to meet our needs, we must always remember to respect the world we are building. The stakes are high, and the cost of failure is unimaginable. But with careful planning, with wisdom, with humility, Jupiter could become the greatest success humanity has ever achieved. In this future, Jupiter is no longer a mythic titan looming in the distance. It is a new home, a testament to our resilience, our creativity, our will to survive. This world, once thought to be too harsh, too hostile, now stands as a symbol of humanity's greatest potential. From this new home, we will explore, we will learn, and we will grow, both as individuals and as a species. Perhaps in the end, Jupiter would not just be a new home for humanity. Perhaps it would remind us of something more profound, of our ability to reshape the universe, to bend nature to our will, and to dream bigger than ever before. If we can transform a world like Jupiter, what other impossible dreams might we turn into reality? What if Jupiter were a habitable planet? Perhaps the question is not what could it become, but rather what we could become when we dare to make the impossible possible.